reverse scene app. So there was a specific app for that. It's called Reverse Audio. So here you have it. Just built by solo developer. It's kind of quite easy, but you can see that it's going viral. So just reverse. You can reverse play recorded sound. This app records from microphone, then plays recorded sound, or reverse play recorded sound. First record from microphone, then play or reverse play record sound. There is also playback rate. There is also pitch by half a tone. So there you have it. This app can import an audio file from other apps. Supported file formats you can see in here. So let's just show you. So here you have it. Super easy, minimalistic app. So you just start recording. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can play record it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, or just play reverse. So that's the fastest and easiest way to do it. And then what you can do, you can just save it like that and enter a file name. So Dave saved with effects, share recorded, share reversed, import from files. Then you can loop playback, you can change playback rate, you can shift by half a tone. Now. So quite cool. And then you can also use this free app. You can, to remove banner ads, you need to just do one-time purchase, $2. So quite cool. And there you have it. So that's the idea. Hope this is helpful. So at the moment, this is the app, reverse music by Nobutaka Yuasa. I don't know, like a solo developer built this app. And there you have it.